How do you capture this? These colors, these sounds, this feeling. How does one design a space that's not exactly out here, but captures its essence so perfectly? It starts with a different approach.
La Clara was designed with a clear mission to create that indoor-outdoor seamless way of living. So each suite has a corner view.
The story really begins with designing each unit completely from the inside out, and then that determines the form of the building. This idea of what I call an unfolding horizon is going to do that. I don't think there's a lot of apartments that have, for every apartment, an entire corner view.
That view when you walk in, that perspective view of the skyline, to be able to see that unobstructed when you come into your suite, we started with that as an intention.
Defined by its rich colors and unique waterways, Palm Beach is a place of beauty in every season. A place for reflection. A place to cherish moments of joy. And gather with the ones we love most.
For great golf, building in Palm Beach is a natural fit. There's a really strong connection between Toronto and South Florida. Toronto can spend time there in our personal lives as well as our work lives.
We put all of our knowledge that we had from doing luxury homes into a luxury apartment. We wanted this to have texture, a sense of refinement, a sense of elegance, to feel great, because we care what the person feels like inside the space.
This is where simplicity meets sophistication. This is life in Palm Beach, from the inside out.